In this particular video, I'll be giving you the day-wise timetable for 700 plus score in NEET 2027, my dear NEET aspirants. Because a lot of students were saying that, sir, please tell us every single day how we are supposed to categorize the syllabus, how we are supposed to study every single day, how many hours we should study this chapter, how many hours we should study this subject, that subject, okay, physics, chemistry, biology. Should we first take the difficult portion? Should we first take the easiest portion? Okay, which portion we are supposed to take accordingly? So my dear NEET aspirants, if you follow this, you see the boost in your results, that is for sure. Make sure you smash the like button and you watch this till the end, because this is definitely going to help you in increasing your score. So I have mentioned over here, my dear NEET aspirants, that is day-wise timetable for 700 plus. Now take a look. We have got approximately 9 months. So for next 9 months, you guys are supposed to study for 12 hours. Okay. Now we'll be categorizing this 12 hours every single day. How you can do that? Listen to me very carefully. First thing, you have to target the completion. Second thing, I would say instant revision. And third thing is daily problem solving. These are the three things you guys are supposed to basically do. Target-based study, instant revision, and we say daily problem solving. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, you have to categorize the syllabus. Since you are in the beginning, you have to categorize the syllabus. What is the easiest portion? What is the moderate portion? And what is the difficult portion? You have to categorize this syllabus. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, one day, you guys are supposed to tackle 2 portions. Listen to me very carefully. See, when it comes to 6 hours, for 6 hours, you'll have to basically go for the classes. And then for the rest of the 6 hours, you'll have to do the self-study. Like if you are studying in a batch, like we are starting the Phoenix 3.0 batch from 1st onwards, okay? From tomorrow onwards, I'll be taking the first class in the Phoenix 3.0 batch. If you have not joined that yet, join it as soon as possible. So link is in the description of this particular video. So join that, because I don't want you to miss out any of the lectures out there. So for 6 hours, you are studying in a batch, and for 6 hours, you guys are supposed to do the self-study. Now, how you guys are basically supposed to do the self-study, that is what I'm going to tell you. Every single day divided in 3 sessions, okay? And 1.30 hour means 1.5 hour must be the session. Listen to me very carefully. When we talk about the session 1, first of all, you will be tackling the difficult portion of the day. If you have categorized the syllabus, now you categorize which one is difficult. You'll first have to tackle the difficult portion. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, revise that difficult portion from the lecture notes which you have studied inside the class. You will have to revise that. Then if it is chemistry and biology, you can go for the NCERT reading also, but for physics, NCERT reading is not mandatory. Then MCQs or PYQs, that's what I'm trying to say, question from the Unacademy module. Because in Unacademy module, lot of varieties of questions are present over there. So you can basically go for that also. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, NCERT questions, even NCERT questions are mentioned over there. Previous year questions, NCERT questions, Unacademy module, this is more than sufficient. Like in-text questions, examples, I would say exercise. Once you get done with this difficult portion, my dear NEET aspirants, instant revision for 15 minutes. Okay, instant revision for 15 minutes. Then you will be taking the break, my dear NEET aspirants, for 15 minutes. Then afterwards, you'll be starting the session 2. That is the moderate portion of the day. First, you'll be tackling the difficult portion. Then you will be moving on to the moderate portion. Okay. Repeat the same as in session 1. Whatever you did in session 1, same thing you guys are supposed to repeat over here also. And in this case also, I would say instant revision for 15 minutes. Instant revision for 15 minutes. And because once you study anything, and if you do the instant revision, you will not forget it for the rest of your life. Trust me, my dear NEET aspirants. Then I would say break for 15 minutes once you get done with this. Then third portion, I would say easiest portion, and majorly it is biology. And when it comes to this portion, my dear NEET aspirants, NCERT reading is must. And solve as many as questions you do. Okay, so this is must. So I would say instant revision. After this also, after 15 minutes. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, you would be taking the break for 15 minutes, and then you are done with this one also. So difficult portion, then the instant revision. Then the moderate portion, then the instant revision, then the easiest portion and the instant revision. Why did I kept easiest portion at the end? Because at the end you will be having low energy. Okay, you are exhausted, so that's the reason I put the easiest category at the end, so that you can smash this one also, even if you have low energy. So my dear NEET aspirants, this instant revision is very much mandatory over here, and NCERT reading and biology, and solve as many as questions you want. Okay, like from this line, how many questions can be asked? Every single thing, flow charts, diagrams. My dear NEET aspirants, if you do this in the entire day, you guys are supposed to smash it. Now guys, we have to start. We will be starting the Phoenix 3.0 batch from tomorrow onwards. I'll be starting the first lecture, that is electrostatics first lecture. So make sure you join this particular lecture. You do not miss that. Okay, because we are starting from the scratch. Every single thing is taught in detail. Okay, all the question practice, all the question we say problems, whatever the pattern is over there, every single thing we do it. So make sure you do it, my dear NEET aspirant. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye. That's all for today. Thank you.